Okay, on this episode I'm sharing how I do my rollers. Let me get my gears first. I'm just sharing how I do it. I'm not saying this is the right way to do it, but this is just how I do it. Okay, first let me get batteries for Action 4, batteries for the camera, Dji Mic2 with the accessories, Shimbol image transmitter. This shit is good. It's like probably like $100 or something. I mean it's enough for cars. Next I'll get PS4 controller, and then I have 3 old Samsung phones that I use for my monitors because I don't use field monitor. Phones are better in a sense you don't have to have an extra MPF battery, because I technically have 2 on this thing, so I don't have an extra MPF battery for field monitor. And then next let me get the camera, ND filters, CPL filters, and then I'll grab the DJI Pocket 3 in case I need it. Lens, I'll grab this for today, Sigma 56. And last but not least, my RS4. Okay, so I'm done. These are the shit I need. Let's go. Hey Oga, I'm leaving.
Alright, it's 8:04 PM. Nothing's playing right now. Have a good day.
Now I'm at the car park. I'm gonna do my pre-shoot setup. Okay, this is the Tilta Hydra Alien. This is a very simple car mounting system, and I think so far it suits my use. So yeah, let's set it up. I have a bunch of this Ulanzi suction cup. This Ulanzi SC-01. Yeah, I think this is pretty good lah. Yeah, small, compact, and easy to use. So like this, our suction 1 cup here. This is for Action 4. Later when I want to shoot some cabin stuff. And it also comes with this very nice neat pouch. And then here I have one that is for here. This will be for the image transmitter. Okay, just put it here like so. Now I'll move on to the other side. Okay, on this side I have another one that actually has a phone holder on it. The purpose of this is because my cam car driver said that he cannot see what is happening, so he wants something here, another screen, another monitor, so he can see what is happening, so he know how to frame the shot for me while driving the car. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, and one more. This one will go here to the back. Why is this in such a weird position? Because this is for the phone to connect to the gimbal, and I don't know if this is actually useful, but because the gimbal is gonna be back there outside the car, and then I'm gonna be here in the car, so I think this is a middle position for the controller to the phone to the gimbal, so I just put this thing here for the best connection. Okay, so here are the cables. Okay. Okay, so as I said, I have so many phones. So there's 1, 2, and 3 phones. They are used for the bridge and the monitoring. This is for RS4. So this is cable first. Cable. Then HDMI goes in the back. Goes into here. So we'll go into the transmitter. The other end into PS4 controller. Going to the phone, and lastly the cable for the capture card. Okay, and this is also ready. Oh, see, immediately went into the Monitor Plus app, and the RS4 one will go into here. So later when I want to turn on, I'll just go into the DJI app, connect to my RS4, connect to my PS4 controller that's over there, then we are good to go. Okay, done with the prep work. Now we are going to pick up Samuel, my cam car driver for today. Okay, we have picked up my driver. No, not pick up. Now my driver is driving. I don't know who is gonna watch this, but I just want to record how I do it. If people watch already got take away, then good lah. Don't have, then don't have lor. So 不要骂人啊。Okay, so now we are on the way to meet Ryan, the white color Lexus, the very white Lexus.
Sprayed by Chromatic.
Yeah, sprayed by Chromatic. 打广告啊。Okay, now we're gonna set up the arm itself for the rollers. That's the arm. POV shot. My wife says she consider want to buy the Meta glass.
For what?
Because I look funny with this like that.
Yes, very.
Yeah. So she want to buy the Meta glass, so I can wear the glass and then still can shoot POV shot. But then too expensive. The shit like $600.
What to buy?
Huh?
What to buy?
I tell her, then she say $600. Then I again look stupid lah. Gimbal is power on. Go into here. Okay, we are live. Go to the second one. Yes, we have feet here and here. Okay, we are done. Okay, now we are live. We are moving. Left, right, up, down. Start recording. Stop recording. Okay, everything's working as intended. Over there I have another screen for the driver to see what I'm framing. Here I have one for myself and the PS4 controller. Can you see it or not? Like, see the dark, right? Okay, give you some light. Ta-da! Motherfucker! Okay. This is a rock. You see it?
我不懂了。
See why your one so bright, mine so dark? The screen so different.
But angle 一样就对了，是吗
Yeah.
Everything is the same. 不然等一下你的不一样，我的不一样。
It's 100% the same. Confirm 100% the same. And it's the same timing also. 不会 lag 的。
好 ，OK。
Because it's same transmission from here 嘛。
Very good. Driver 不会 gauge 不用 ，I mean, car owner 不会 gauge 不用紧，我需要会。
That's why I like this to shoot with me. I like him to drive for me. Can we don't stay on the same lane? One person move out or move in.
我不可以。
Okay, so while doing these rollers, our communication is through WhatsApp call here on the phone. And then we just shout like that lor, because no money buy the headset intercom. So yeah, we make do with what we have.
再上一点 bro， 太远了。
I want to buy the headset intercom lah, but it's like $600 lah.
Okay.
Never mind, we'll make do with phone calls for now. Two lane. Stay where you are. Beautiful. It's okay. White shot, it's okay. No good. 后面的车黑亮了。Can you go back out to the first lane? How fast are you going?
80.
Okay, we can keep this speed. Do we have space to do a cross?
No.
Okay, then forget it. Let the traffic go first. Then on Samuel's queue, 我们换 lane， 你过来，我过去。
这是一个
3 lane 啊，3 lane 啊。
lane 啊。
Yeah, do it, just do it. Sam, your call.
1、2、3。
Okay, hold the speed.
看得到你的车。
Yeah, 看得到。It's okay, I can cop. Ryan, can you accelerate a bit and come to the center lane? Departure, 你走 left 我走 right 啊，不要走在一起。
走 left 走 right，OK。
来 nearer。
所以你要他走进去啊？
呀，进去啊！
这样啊？
这样还好。
来上一点 ，Let's go， 上一点。你前面有车没？
哎，你放慢，跟他的 speed。我有 hum。
我有 hum。
你不要紧，我们也是过 hum。Can we do a swap?
OK， 来，1、2、3 ，change lane 啊 ！change 跟我换。1、2、3。
Do a cross in front of the Sonata.
来 ，after 这个过来我的 lane。
来 second lane. 来 second lane. Go first. First lane. Yes. So now we are at East Coast Park. Quiet. Not many people. So this is the setup. Let's go through it. Just the Tilta Hydra. And then counterweights, transmitter, V-mount battery for power, RS4, the camera itself, and I have a cable to the transmitter, and the transmitter will bring everything into the cabin to this transmitter that relays it to the other phone and to this phone. Yep, so that is the setup that I'm using for my rollers. And then now we are moving the whole thing, we're moving everything to the front of the car. Fun,
Okay,
this motherfucker is done. It's now on the front. We did this a few times already, but it works. Yeah, okay. Okay, now we are shooting the rear of the car. Okay, 飘去 lane 1 or lane 2. Without picking up. It's a slope here, fuck.
，baby， 我们的感情好
就像跳楼机。
Baby， 我们的感情好像跳楼机。
Not yet. When you pick up it, no, you cannot see fire. I think you only can see city light.
人这样的话，我应该去那边，给他拍 MBS。
你要去那边啊？
这样他就拍得到 MBS 了，对吧？不要紧，我们要走这里。这个应该拍不到。
在 taxi 定点啊。
那个 CD light 也是这样。
Yeah. Why is fucking blur out?
Yeah.
MBS 啊。There we go, MBS. Some more. Side profile. Ah shit, 我的 mic 在那边，so obvious can see the mic.
哪里？
连在他的那个 Lexus。
好。
Okay, so that concludes the shoot for today. We are going for supper. So yeah, that's my setup. My Tilta Hydra Alien with all the Alibaba and Dji Mic2. Can't nina that face again, Xiao Min. Okay, if you have any question, post in the comment. Then if got people watch lah. If nobody watch, then fuck it lah. Not like I care lah. Okay, bye bye. Oh, one more thing I have to say. This is just the way I do it. I'm sharing how I do it. I am not saying it's the right thing to do. It's the correct way of doing it. But this is just how I do it. Bye bye.